Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Homeowner Sapien coming back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about shade sails and what I use to put these up on in my backyard. So traditionally you'll see shade sails with some turnbuckles and some wiring and some rope perhaps, but I've found a way that works well for me, and what that is I've been using bungee cords just like that. Okay, bungee cords. I do have some string lights, and then up on I have a post, two posts along my back wall here. These are just metal posts that are secured to the wall with some brackets like you see there. Right, and on top of that, on top of the brackets, we have the ivy on top of that, which provides some additional strength, holding it up against the wall. So there's a bracket right there. You can kind of see, hopefully. Right there. So they're secured in 3 spots, one at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. I do have the string lights here, and then I'm going to have my shade sails. We recently had to take the shade sails down because there was a ton of wind, and I didn't want them flapping around in the wind. So I took them down for the time being. I got 3 of them in the backyard. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to show you how I attach them in the backyard. So this one here is attached to the roof line. I don't know if you can see it, but the roof line up there on an anchor, right? And it's got a spring at the end in order to relieve some tension. Now you see the second triangle, and the beauty of the bungee cords is that it allows you to adjust the tension quite easily. And one thing I noticed that when I was using turnbuckles and rope was that the triangles, if they're shaped irregularly, they'll want to go a certain type of way, and it won't necessarily want to go that way, but using bungee cords will allow it to kind of go where it wants to go. And that gives it a little bit of more flexibility and some leeway, which you don't get with the turnbuckles and the ropes. Okay, so now that I have those two, I'm going to adjust the third one and connect that. So this one I actually have on some springs. So a springs and a carabiner instead of the bungee cord. I wanted to use, these are called handyman springs. So what I like about the springs is that it gives it a little extra forgiveness whenever the wind pulls on these things. So it's not yanking directly on the post itself or on the anchors, but the springs give it some leeway so that when there is some pull, it's not going to pull anything off, or it's not going to break anything. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on real quick. Alright, and that is the look at our 3 shade sails and how I put them up with bungee cords and some handyman springs. Hope you found that helpful. Catch you on the next video.